Consistent success in daily trading requires a disciplined approach. Here is the tip. Focus on risk management. Prioritize preserving your capital. Set clear stop loss level and only risk a small percentage of your trading account on each trade. This helps protect you from significant losses and ensures you live to trade another day. Additionally, aim for a favorable risk to reward ratio where potential profits outweigh potential losses. Very important. Remember, successful trading is about managing risks effectively, staying informed, and maintaining a disciplined strategy. Last time we talked about the 300 index. You can see how the market has gone. Okay. All right. Let me zoom it out a bit so that I can see look at the market right here. Okay, this is the level of the market. You can see the market has hit the TP. All right, the take profit I told you is going to hit. Okay, so now what will happen is that the market will retrace back, or there is going to be a pullback up. All right, there is going to be a pullback up to this level. Okay. Alright, it may not correspond very well like I drew it, but just follow what I'm saying. Okay, the most important thing is to know the direction. Alright, so the next thing again is for the market to make a pullback, a return, alright, back to this level. Okay, once it returns back to this level, it will start coming down again. Alright, it will hit this level. Once it returns back, alright, remember what the market is working with is price action. The market is working with price action. So once it returns back to this level, which is the resistance level you're seeing here, all right, so once it pulls back down, okay, all right, so once it starts selling down, okay, what will happen is that there will be a kind of breakout. Okay, there will be a kind of breakout which is going to break out to this level. Okay, the market will break down, all right, to this level. From this level to break to this level. Okay, all right, to move down to this level, and there will be a kind of pullback again up. All right, after the pullback, what will happen is that the market will then pull down again to this level. So that's what we're following. Okay, you can see the analysis is still in place. I did not remove it from my system. It's very important whenever you're trading. All right, respect the trend lines. Okay, always ensure that you keep those trend lines in place. All right, so that you can use it to check your plans. Okay, you can use it to monitor your plans. Okay, don't remove it so as to help you monitor the market effectively. Okay, all right, so this is what we're looking at. Okay, so once the market pull back again, to pull back up here, all right, to pull back up here, and what will happen is that it will then fall down again. Okay, and break through this level. Okay, there will be a breakout down to the support level here you're seeing here. All right, there will be a breakout, all right, to the support level you're seeing here. Okay, this point was the first resistance level. All right, so once the market moved and exceeds this level you're seeing, okay, downward, here automatically becomes your resistance level. Here automatically becomes your resistance level. Okay, so once the market moves down, okay, to this level, this point automatically becomes your new resistance level, because what will happen is that the market will then shoot up again. All right, the market will then shoot up again here. All right, then shoot up again and retrace down. Okay, so the market will shoot up and retrace down finally. Okay, all right, if it will get up to that level. All right, so right now we're still here at this resistance level. So what we're looking at is that we need the market now to pull back up. All right, the market has to consolidate. All right, to consolidate and curve back up to this level. Okay, once it pull back up to this level, it will then, all right, start moving down. Okay, once it moves down, it will break this level and come to this support level. Alright, so that's how the market will continue moving until to go up, come down, go up, come down to this level. Okay, alright, so I think this is the level. Alright, so once you move to this level, to pull back up and then push down. Alright, so this is the 1,000 market. So what are we expecting from this market? We've been selling market before now with the lower time frame. Alright, this is the 4 hours time frame. Okay, so before now we've been selling market with the lower time frame. Okay, alright, so we're expecting this market to break down, okay, down to this level. Once the market breaks down to this level like this, it will break down to this level. Okay, this is what we're expecting, because there's a level here which you must respect. So once the market breaks down to this level, what will happen? The market will have a pullback up again. Alright, if the pullback is at this level, if it's at this level here, this level you're seeing, okay, then that means a perfect shoulder to header pattern. Alright, so we can be able to enter here. But if the market pull back more than this level, okay, anything can happen in the market. That's why you have to make sure you have your risk management in place. You have to make sure you have your risk management in place. So anything can happen in the market, so you should be able to put your risk management in place so that your account will be safe. Okay, alright, so but once the market pull back, alright, to this point, okay, this level you're seeing, okay, so that it will be at the same shoulder level with this other market, it will correspond with this other level. Okay, this level you're seeing. Okay, so you can then hold the market from this point. Okay, so once the market moves from this point down, okay, so once it pulls back to this level, all right, and the market did not start ranging, okay, it will then break through this level down. So there's a support level here. Okay, so what will happen is that the market will then break through this level down to the next level. The market will then push down to the next level. Okay, so once the market break through this level, okay, to the next support level, okay, the market will then move up again. There will be a kind of retest. Okay, there will be a kind of retest to the next level. All right, then the market will then break down. All right, the market will then break down to the level you're seeing. Probably, I think we'll have another level here. All right, we'll have another level here. We'll have the next level here, which the market will break down, and after this level, what will happen is that the market will then move up again. Once the market move up again to retest, okay, the market will move up again to retest at this level. Okay, so what will happen is that it will then push down to the next level you're seeing. The market will then push down to the next level you're seeing here. Okay, push down to the next level you're seeing here. Alright, so this is what we're expecting from this market. Remember, I told you have to have your trend line. This is the trend line. Okay, once you've gotten your trend line in place, okay, the next thing you should be looking at is this market moving down, okay, to the next support level. Okay, once this market move down to this level here, all right, this support level, once it move down to this level, are you seeing the level here? All right, look at the level. We're expecting this market to move down because the market is now coming down. It's coming down. All right, so you can hold it down to this level. Okay, so once the market move down to this level, what will happen is that it will then move again up. Okay, there will be a retest up. So once it retests up, it will move down again and break through this level. Okay, once it breaks through this level to the next support level, okay, what will happen is that the market will then move up again and retest up to this level. Okay, it will retest at this level again and will start coming down. Once it retests at this level, to come down, break this level again, all right, and move up again to this level. Okay, creating another shoulder level here. Okay, once you have seen a shoulder level here again, what will happen is once it creates another shoulder level here, the market will then pull back down. Okay, breaking the next level down to the support level. All right, as simple as that. This is the entry point. All right, if you miss this level, all right, the next level should be here. All right, this level here should be at this level. All right, so if you miss this entry point, it should be at this level. Okay, the next level should be here. All right, the next level should be here. Okay, on this level. Okay, so these are your entry points. Okay, these are your entry points of the market. Oh, these are your entry points of the market. Your entry points. Okay, so this is how you're expected to trade. Remember, we are selling this market right away. We are selling it down to this level you're seeing. Okay, so we expect the market to break down to this level. Okay, we expect the market to break down to this level. All right, I seen it down to the last level where we're going to leave the market totally. Okay, and wait for pullback. All right, so this is how Forex market works. So this is our entry points. Okay, all right, so hold this market until to get down to this level. Okay, but we'll be placing our stop loss. Okay, you have to place your stop loss up here. Once the market exceeds this level and move to this level, okay, once the market move from this level we are now to this level, okay, our stop loss will be here. Okay, then our new entry will be at this level. Okay, I seen it. So once the market move from this level to the next level, okay, our stop loss will be here, our new level will be here. Once the market move from this level to this level, all right, our stop loss will be here, then our new entry will be here. All right, the new entry or the new level will then be here. Okay, all right, so we then place our stop loss again. Once the market start moving, we place our stop loss here, and the market will then move down, okay, to the last, which is the final level here. All right, so this at this level we then take our profit and leave the markets. All right, so this is the analysis for today. All right, so make sure you use a proper risk management, all right, to secure your fund or your capital, secure your equity, because if you blow up your equity, all right, you will not have what to trade with. Okay, so that's why you have to maintain a very good risk management during trading. Okay, so I will be stopping here for today. All right, subscribe to this channel and make sure you share this video to everyone, okay, on the Forex community. Have a wonderful day and stay blessed.
Subscribe, like, comment, and share this video around the Forex community to help others achieve their dream.
I remember when we were staring photos and forget the way. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video to everyone on the Forex community.